Begin in a comfortable seated position. Feel rooted, safe, and comfortable through your seat. This guided meditation will help you feel less anxious. Once you're settled, either close your eyes or bring your attention to the images of the bake. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold at the top for 3, and exhale for a count of 4. Push out all the air from your belly and your lungs, and breathe in through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Try to keep your breathing at this slow pace. As you inhale, imagine that you're breathing in calmness, peace, and strength. As you exhale, imagine that you're breathing out all of your anxiety, stress, and worry. There's nothing for you to worry about right now in this present moment. All there is to do is breathe. Feel your anxiety slip away with each exhale. If your mind drifts to feelings of worry, be mindful. Notice it without judgment, and then bring your attention back to the breath. Inhale through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. You are strong and can handle anything life throws at you. Notice how calm you feel as you sit and breathe. As you return to your day, take this feeling of relaxation and strength with you. Breathe in through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2,